Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, backup monitor, navigation system, premium wheels, all-wheel drive, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.